We're going to be doing some urban riding today. We're going to be going to some spots that you guys have seen on the channel before, but you only saw them on the GoPro, so you couldn't really see how big some of these spots are in real life. So if you guys like how this video ends up turning out, let me know in the comments, because I'll start doing more iPhone clips, getting more third-person footage of us at the tracks and street spots and stuff like that. Another thing I want to bring up real quick is thank you guys so much for 7,000 subscribers. We're getting closer and closer to 10K, which is awesome. I got a feeling 2025 is going to be a big year for us boys. I'm going to try to get a lot more footage, maybe try to start posting twice a week. Don't quote me on that yet though, but I am going to try to do that if I have the time this year. Just charged the bike up, so she should be all ready to go. It is a little bit dirty right now, but whatever. What are you going to do about it? A lot of people are asking me too, how do I charge the bike at home and also when I'm at the track? So when I'm at the house, I just use the Stark charger, obviously. And then there's this converter that goes from, I believe it's a 110 is what they call it, outlet. So it just goes from the connector to, I'm using this extension cord right now, which I don't think you're really supposed to use extension cords for it, but basically just running that into the normal outlet right there. And when we go to the track, I use this Power Smart generator, which it's a pretty good generator. It was only a couple $100 though, so it's not like crazy fast, but it does the job for sure. And most of the time we're at like smaller tracks, so I don't even end up charging the bike. Most of the time it's usually like still on like 30-40% by the time we leave, which is pretty crazy. And for the people that are wondering the range on the Stark, if you look on my channel from 2 weeks ago, I did post a range test on this thing, so you can see how far this thing actually goes. A lot of people ask me too, what generation Stark do you have? So this is the Gen 1 Stark. This is the first one they ever made. This is the 2022 model. For all the Gen 1 bikes, they had the charger right here under this cap, and I'm pretty sure on the newer bikes now they have it more towards like the battery pack. This little piece is honestly the only thing I don't like about the Stark, because it always is falling off on me, and then once it pops off, it kind of hangs on this little string, and then your legs will kind of like get stuck on it, so it's super annoying. I finally got this. I've been waiting probably 5-6 months for this. I don't know why it took so long. It's a super cheap part, but I've been waiting for this for so long, so I'm excited to put this on the bike. You guys will see that in a video pretty soon. I'll probably end up doing a little like maintenance video on the Stark. Just got a new bucket too, the all white. Feels so much better than my helmet that I've been using. You guys are probably wondering what's in that big box, and that is something you guys will also see on the next video most likely, because it's been so cold out recently, it's hard to like go ride right now. So I'll probably do a maintenance video like I was saying and put on all these new parts. The Stark barely has any maintenance compared to the gas bikes, but there is still a few things that you do need to do on it, and it's hard to find information on it online. So I will drop a video doing a little maintenance thing if you guys want me to do that. But all right guys, I'm about to go grab my GoPro real quick, toss that on, and then we're about to make our way over to these urban spots that I was telling you guys about. First snow of the year, boys. It was literally 60 degrees yesterday. Beamers are notorious for not liking the cold. Let's see how this sounds. Didn't sound great, but it didn't sound horrible. I needed a car wash so bad. Oh yeah, she's dialed. Check this out. This is the spot where they had the 2023 SMX championship where Jet and Hunter won here. This place is sick. It's actually like a NASCAR racing stadium. Is NASCAR sick? I've never been to a NASCAR race. This place is huge though.